Welcome to the Apple Connect YouTube channel. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Apple product-related videos. In this video, I will show you how you share your Wi-Fi password with QR code from iPhone or iPad. Launch the built-in Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the Gallery section from the bottom menu. Swipe left and tap on the Shortcuts for Accessibility banner. Now, scroll down and tap on the QR Your Wi-Fi shortcut. Tap on Add Shortcut to install it and add it to the My Shortcuts section. Now, go to the My Shortcuts menu. To make edits, tap on the triple dot icon on the shortcut. Scroll down to the very bottom and remove the last scripting action by tapping on the X icon. Now, type Quick in the search field and select the Quick Look action to add it to your shortcut. Next, just tap on the Done or Play button to save your updated shortcut that actually works. Now, you'll get a pop-up at the top to enter your Wi-Fi name. By default, the name of the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to will be shown here. Tap on Done to continue. Next, you'll get another pop-up to enter your Wi-Fi password. Simply type in the password and tap on Done to generate the QR code. The QR code will now show up on your screen via Quick Look. You can use the share icon at the top right corner to bring up the iOS share sheet and share the QR code with any of your contacts. Or, you can simply show your iPhone or iPad screen to the other user and they will be able to scan the code using their device's camera.